Okay, we continue to the part 2. Alright, exploring how density factors affect a specific food chain. Alright, so as I told you before, okay, imagine that a series of a wet summer increases the amount of grass available to the moose and the ecosystem. So there is so much of grass, and the moose are enjoying eating the grass. They produce young, they will feel healthy with the abundance of food. Okay, so it will increase the populations of the moose, right? Okay, what will happen to the moose population and why? As I already told you. So, do you think the population of moose will increase or decrease? Which one? Increase or decrease? Of course, it will increase because the food is abundance. There is a lot of food. So, moose will come there. Maybe moose from the neighborhood, they will come there because they see, oh, there is a grass there. So, they come to the place and eat all the grass. Yes, it will increase. Why is it so? You tell me. Okay. If moose is the prey, so who is the predator? Okay, you know prey and predator relationship. Okay. Yes, it is the wolf. The wolf is the predator of the moose. Okay, what do you think will happen to the wolf population if the moose population increases? What do you think? What will happen? Okay, if the moose population increase because of the abundance of the grass. Okay, okay. Do you think that the wolf population will increase or decrease? I think you know the answer. Yes, it will increase. Why is it so? Why the number of wolves will increase? Okay, because where there is a lot of food there will be more of predators will come to that place. Okay, so a lot of moose will increase the number of wolves because the wolf have food, so many food there, and it will produce the youngs, and it will feed the youngs and stay healthy. That's why it will increase. Okay, compare how the plant, moose and wolf population change because of their dependence on each other. So this is something that you have to think. Okay, compare. What will happen if the grass increases in the wet summer? What will happen to the moose population? And then what will happen to the wolf population? Vice versa, or in contrast, what will happen if the grass started to scarce, started to low production? What will happen to the moose population, and what will happen to the wolf population? Okay, and then trace how the wolf population will rises and falls in response to changes in the moose population. Okay, the moose and wolf populations. Okay, if the moose population increase, the wolf population will what? Okay, if the moose population increases, the wolf population will increase. Of course, because there is more food, so you will have more predators. In contrast, if the moose population decrease, the wolf population will it will decrease too, because when there is no food, so they will start dying, or the diseases started to kill them, and the youngs getting to the other side of the world that have more healthy and fatty moose. Okay, and then alright, this is for your homework. I already put it inside the assignment, so please check. I just want you to explain, or you can draw Okay, how the amount of grass and the populations of the parasites and scavengers would change with the moose and wolf populations. So I just want you to know, to understand how the population of the parasite and scavengers also will change with the moose and wolf populations. So if you don't know what is parasites and scavengers, okay, scavengers is the animals that consume dead organisms that have died from causes other than predation. So maybe they just died because of the disease, or some predators left them, and all of these scavengers such as jackal, the hyena, the crow will come and try to eat them. Okay, the flies, the worm, even can be the rats, can be the scavengers. And the parasites, parasites is live off other living creatures, organisms that feed on living animals. So the mosquito, the bugs, the tick, the worm is the types of parasites. Okay, so what is the relationship, or how this will affect the population of moose and wolf? So please write your answer in the assignment. Okay, this is just a diagram to show you without scavengers. So you will just decompose by the fungi or the worm, and it is a lot easier to decompose if there is a scavengers. Okay, they eat all the flesh and left only the bones. Okay, another homework is for you is to summarize how the moose population changes as the amount of the grass and the number of wolves changes. This one you can draw. Okay, you can draw, and please write one or two sentences about it. Okay, for example, if you say the grass is increasing, so what happened to the moose population, and then what happened to the wolves population, and vice versa. If the grass is decreasing, okay, because of the hot weather, or there is flood, there is a drought, okay, you have to say what will happen to the moose population, and then what will happen to the wolf populations. All right, that's all for today. See you in our discussion group. Bye.